So I'm not sure if this is it, but this is saying 14 miles. My map was saying like 5 miles, so I'm not sure how far I'm really gonna get. This is cool. Shelter. It's got fire grill pits in the middle, picnic tables. So this is the map. I'm not sure which way I should go. I'm going to reevaluate. I'm pretty sure I found the trail. It is adjacent to, there's a parking area down there. And where I parked is down there. So it looks like the trail crosses this road right here. Goes straight over there. The trail is marked with yellow markers. Thanks for joining me on the hike today. Here's the first waterfall. Right on the trail. Pretty awesome. We were going up to Pinnacle Knob, and there should be 2 waterfalls. We already passed one. This is a cool part of the trail. It sounds like we're almost next to a waterfall, but we can't see it. Looks like there's a second waterfall. Here's the top of it. Looks like a few campsites over there. So one minute it's raining and the next minute it's sunny. There's the sun peeking through. We are walking along the stream here. Look at the furrows in this tree. Huge hemlock tree. The bugs are mating. Well, I'm at a crossroads. I came to this trail marker 58, which is obviously not the trail. That's somewhere else. Actually, it says Pinnacle Knob You can read that. It says Pinnacle Knob that way. But it says there's a trail marker over there. The trail that I was on goes that way. So, not sure what I should do. So I'm on this trail now with green markers. So I guess we'll see what happens. No more rain. So I'm just sitting here on a little rocky outcrop, taking a break. I should almost be there soon. This is a huge hickory tree. Wow, this is gnarly. Rock ledges. Keep seeing these wildlife management boundary signs. How much longer do I have to go? I should almost be there. This is cool. A little hanging outcrop. Looks like you could take shelter underneath there if there was a bad storm. Well, I made it. It's beautiful up here. They got some rocks where you sit on. Thanks for watching. Join in the next hike. Subscribe and like. I'm just gonna sit here and chill for a little while and enjoy this view. So I just wanted to say that there was a trail runner that was coming back when I was going up the mountain, and she had a dog, and I found at least 2 or 3 poops on the trail. So come on, pick up your dog's poop. Don't be ignorant and leave poop on the trail. All in all, this is a pretty good hike. If you want a long endurance hike, then this is the hike for you. With the view, it's got waterfalls, it's got everything that you could possibly want here. And there's a campsite at the top, there's a campsite down by the stream. I met a guy that was doing a 3-night, and he actually had a map. On another note, if it wasn't for him, I probably would have went in the wrong direction, because it was telling me to stay on the, you know, the trail with the yellow markers, but I needed to get on the green trail and go up to the knob. Otherwise, I probably would have missed out on some good views. If you don't like downhills for 4 miles, then you might not want to come on this trail. If you're a beginner, you might want to try Preacher's Rock. That's only like a 2-mile hike with a mild incline. Ultras are growing on me. These are Ultra Lone Peak 3.5. They're really cushy. They have a lot of support. Sometimes I catch rocks, and I think with every shoe you're going to catch a rock and almost face plant most days. So, but anyways, I ordered myself a pair of Hoka Torrents. I'm going to see how those feel. Yeah, that's something in its mouth. So apparently I almost missed this waterfall. It's got a little observation deck over here. So just a little bit more of an update. So when you get to that large area that looks like campsites, it's telling you to go to the right. Well, the right is the waterfall and an observation deck. Now, if you go straight through those campsites, it doesn't really have it pointing go that way, but you're supposed to go that way to get up to Pinnacle Knob. So you just go straight through those campsites. And it's not the first one you come to. The first campsite you may or may not see will be on your right, across from the river. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the second campsite where the observation deck and the waterfall are at. So I really think they need to get a sign and put waterfall this way, Pinnacle Knob this other direction, because otherwise people can get lost. Make sure you bring some DEET or some Picaridin or something that is like repels bugs, because this hike definitely had a lot of bugs. I believe I got here around 1:32, and I'm now back at my car at, I think it's like 7 or 8 p.m. So make sure you come here pretty early. Get here before noon.